Hello guys, today let me show you my first unboxing series. Due to Christmas is coming soon, so I make it the Christmas version. Let us see what is this. Aha, it is an Asus laptop. This is to replace my old Asus laptop that being KO by my wife. Haha, this time I get Asus ROG Strix G17 G713, a gaming laptop from Asus. Okay, see what we have here. A bag. Look not bad. Backpack. Box in the box? Haha, quite heavy, huh?
See what we have here. Turn around, oh.
Nothing special. Okay, let us open it. This is it, our main dish. Asus ROG Strix G17 G713. Woohoo! Let me remove the plastic cover. Okay, this is the summary that it have. Surprisingly quiet. I'm not so sure for gaming laptop will quiet my friend, Harha. Let us see what else is inside this box. I guess charger and instruction. Maybe. Haha, instruction. And blah 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 warning. See what else? I guess is charger. Ho ho ho. It is charger. It is really charger. What else? I wish more free gift. What is that? Oh, is a mouse. Is a cable mouse not wireless? Oh my god, so stingy Asus. Let us see it from all direction. Front view. Right view. Rear view. Left view. So all the port and connection only available at rear and left of the laptop. Bottom view. And last will be top view. Pretty. Since a lot of lighting at this laptop, I take the video at night. Haha. Wow, wow wow. Wow 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 fuyo. Pretty huh? Wow, the mouse also have lighting, not bad not bad. But still not wireless. Asus. Okay, this is in the dark environment. How about bright environment? Let me show you. Okay. Bright environment also look not bad. RTX 4070. AMD Ryzen 9. Okay guys, let me stop here. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2024. Ho ho ho.